In this video, I'm going to show you how to stand out from your competition in 3 minutes using the bacon principle. So I'm Ian Luckett from Innovate to Success, and I help IT and tech business owners from standing out from the competition using the bacon principle. And in this video, I'm going to share with you in 3 minutes exactly how to do just that. So if this is your first time here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and you'll be alerted as soon as we release great new content on a weekly basis on this channel. Now let's get over to the video. And today's Tuesday tip is a bit of a weird one. It's about bacon, how a piece of bacon can help your IT and your tech business grow to the next level. Now let me explain, I haven't gone mad, I haven't gone absolutely bonkers, but unless you've been living under a rock for the last couple of months, I think now, so it's been a bit late to get this video out, McDonald's have been really clever. Are you on the side of the Big Mac needs to have bacon, or are you on the team of Big Mac doesn't have bacon? So what have McDonald's actually done? They've taken a piece of bacon, right, which they've already got in their organisation, and they've just put it in a different product. You've got your Big Mac, now you've got a bit of bacon in it, and all they've actually done is they've just caused a massive marketing stir, which I think is really clever. While you're discussing with your husband or your wife or your family and friends, whoever it might be, about whether or not you should have bacon or whether or not you shouldn't have bacon in it, people are talking about McDonald's. They're talking, they're getting the brand in their mind, they're talking about it, they're arguing about it. I mean, if you've seen the adverts, they're just hilarious. All because somebody thought, why don't you just go and put bacon in that burger and see what happens? Now, bringing this back down to business, we need to think about how we create uniqueness in our organisations. So from an IT business point of view, you don't want to be someone who's been compared with on price all the time. If your packages look exactly similar to all your competitors, you are going to be slashed on price, and your clients are just going to see you as someone who doesn't offer value and doesn't offer the bespoke nature of the work that you do, where you're supposed to be entrenched in their organisation, helping them solve their technical needs. So the 3 tips I've got for you today. The first one is think about your current packages. What do you currently offer to your clients? Try and come up with 3, a top, middle and a bottom one, so that you put in there different things that offers them value, different elements of your services, your products and your technical solutions that help them solve another part of their particular business need. Have a think about what those packages look like. Have a think about the prices. Have a think to try and make sure that they can't compare you with anybody else. Have a look to see where you can slot in an extra piece of bacon. Tip 2, where's your bacon? What product, service or solution could you just slot in to their business, into that package to make it unique? Is it a free audit? Is it a free review of their cybersecurity? It could be some training that you're offering their employees or something like that. But what could you deliver that's free, that's going to add value and make you that unique tech solution for that organisation? And the third one is, once you've done that, once you've identified your packages, once you've identified your solutions, once you've slotted in your other bit of bacon, how are you going to price those? Which one do you actually want them to buy? Which one suits best for them? And have a think about when you're going to go and present that to your client and your customer, what are they going to think? What's their initial thoughts going to be when you're going to go and close the sale? Which bit of bacon do they want? 1, 2 or 3 bits? And how's that actually going to work in terms of your organisation, adding more value to that client so they buy from you, and then strengthens your relationship and grows your business. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed how I use bacon as something that you've already got in your organisation to help it grow and stand out from everybody else. I want to hear your comments below now. Let me know what's working in your business, or if you'd like me to try and use any other food in a business growth tip. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and you will be alerted the minute we release brand new content on a weekly basis on this channel. You go and enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm going to catch up with you soon. Take care.